Excuse me, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, you can. Well, a dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Yes, I want to hunt a dinosaur.
Okay, very good, sir. What kind of dinosaur would you like to hunt?
A big one.
A big one. How about a Tyrannosaurus Rex?
It sounds big.
Yeah, it's big. Are you an experienced hunter?
I like to think so.
That's good. You can probably handle it then. Yeah, you're a good hunter. That will be $10,000, please.
$10,000.
$10,000, please.
Is that 3 zeros or 2 zeros?
That is 4 zeros.
4 zeros. No, I ain't right.
Look. You see, that's a 5.
It's a 5?
Yeah. You see, you want like 1, 0, comma 0, 0.
Okay.
Well, yeah. You don't need a math to type.
Here you go.
Good. Alright. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, and before you go, we'll need you to sign this statement that says we're in no way responsible for any problems that you may have, like death or horrible injury.
What's this for?
Responsible, sir.
Responsible.
It means like, liable. Just sign it.
And this will give me a dinosaur.
It'll get you a dinosaur.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, very good, sir. Alright. Can you, we've got a tour leaving at 12:30 today. Can you make it?
That works for me.
Let me go introduce you to your crew.
Alright.
Right this way, sir.
When you're hungry.
I'm Travis, I'll be your captain. This is Les Brent, my assistant. She'll be coming with us. And this is Bill Kramer.
Bill Kramer. My name is Bill Kramer.
Bill Kramer will be going to hunt the dinosaurs also. Okay, this is my time machine. This is South Wind, and she'll take you wherever you want to go. We can go to your dinosaur. We'll be there in about, 5 to 6 minutes. You guys ready to go?
Big dinosaur!
Okay, everyone, take a seat.
So excited.
Welcome aboard the Southwind. This is my time machine, and it'll take you to your big dinosaur. Okay.
Dinosaur.
Yes, dinosaur. Big dinosaur.
Big.
Well, guys, I need you to keep your hands and legs inside the ship at all times, because if you lose an appendage somewhere in time, I'm not going to be able to find it, and you're not going to have it back. And we'll all be really upset. So, just stay inside. Okay? It's going to be a little rough. Here we go.
Little rough.
Okay, guys, here we go.
Okay, if everyone will look to their left, that's 2055. That's when our company was first founded. And
85 years old?
Sure. And now we're passing 2019, when cell phones became extinct and replaced by advanced technology.
Southwind or cell phone?
Cell phone.
Oh.
And over there is 1812. There's Napoleon.
Papa Pedro!
And there's 1492. Columbus is finding America right now. And now we're in BCE. And there is Australopithecus, the first hominid. And now we're coming up on the Jurassic, our destination.
Like the movie?
Kinda.
It's going to get kind of rough coming up here, guys. Brace yourselves.
Brace yourselves. What does that mean?
Okay, we're here.
You were joking!
Okay, guys, before we go outside, you have to know one thing. Do not go off the path. There's a path you must follow. If you go off, you could destroy time.
Like,
You can mess up everything. Just stay on the path, okay? Everyone grab a gun. Let's go.
wait. Do I exist?
Well, you exist. You exist right now, and you exist then, but you can't exist at the same time.
Dinosaur!
Yes, watch your step.
Remember, stay on the path. Stay on the path. If you don't, you could kill something. Stay on the path. Stay on the path. Stay on the path. Stay on the path.
Chuck it down. That's a big one.
What's that on your shoe? That a butterfly?
What do you have? Ah! You figure! Stop! Future! Butterfly! Ah!
Wait, something's gonna change.
What do you want?
Future! Who won the election?
Well, of course, but you think that beanie cheese is gonna win?
No! 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 I'm so sorry! Can we change it, please?
Ah!